Content is king, and video has to be on the top of that list. HubSpot's 2025 State of Marketing Report actually states that short form video is the content type that has the #1 highest ROI. Now that's a stat that I love as a marketer. Whether you're creating a social post, writing an email, or creating a web page, adding in a video is a better way for your customers to view your content, making them even more likely to engage. HubSpot has the best AI-powered video tools that allows you to seamlessly integrate your videos into your marketing materials. So today we're gonna look at exactly how to use those video tools. If you wanna follow along, you can use the link in the description to use HubSpot totally free, so make sure to check it out. Hi, I'm Angel. I'm a marketing specialist working in tech, and this is how to HubSpot. So let's say we're trying to use a video in a new social post. So to upload your content, we want to go to Content and then Files. In the top right corner, we're gonna hit Upload Files, and then we're just gonna pick the video that we want to upload. When you're ready to turn this video into the perfect video for social media, we can go under Actions and then hit Remix into Other Content. Then we'll select the type of content we want. So we want video clips. Hit Remix. Now this is the cool part. HubSpot will actually take your video and break it down into video clips that are perfect for social media. So let's take a look at what they've created. You can see that they've created 2 clips, one that's a little bit longer and one that's a little bit shorter. So we're gonna save and edit the shorter one in app. Now that we have our new shorter video clip, you can see that HubSpot has actually transcribed the entire script, showed you what it's taken out and what's left in the script for this shorter clip. From here, you can adjust the video ratio. So I'm gonna turn this into a portrait video. Inside this editor, there are actually a ton of tools that will help you supercharge your social video. So you can add captions and it'll automatically take that transcription and turn it into caption. So you can figure out what style you want, how big you want the caption, and even the position of the caption itself. Since I already have captions, we can turn that off. But next we can look at branding. Let's say I want to add my podcast logo to this video, so I can turn on branding and then upload my logo. Then you can select what size you want your logo. So I think I like the medium, and then I want it at the top of the video. So maybe we'll do the top left. Lastly, if you like these edits and you want to apply them to all of your future videos, we can go into templates and create a new template. We'll call this podcast logo, hit create. And voila, in the future, when you're editing a video, you can go into templates, select this template, and it'll add the exact same edits to those videos. Once you're happy with your video, we can hit export and then head over to the optimization page to make sure the metadata of this video is all filled in. It's really important that we have this metadata filled in because let's say you want to use this on a web page or a landing page. This is the data that HubSpot will use to show Google exactly what this video is all about. So in the video title, I'll write Failing Forward Optimistic Mindset. HubSpot will actually make the suggestion to update your file name as well so that search engines can read the file name and understand what the video is about. So we're gonna hit update file name. To get our keywords, I can use AI and generate keywords. And for our SEO description as well, I can use HubSpot's AI to generate that for me. If you wanna add chapters, which makes the video easier to navigate for your viewers, you can hit generate chapters or add your own. And then of course, if you wanna update the thumbnail and the cover of this video, you can actually do that through this little edit button here. So we can either change the frame that is shown in the cover, or you can actually use Adobe Express, which is integrated with HubSpot. You just have to make sure you're signed into your Adobe account. You can hit edit with Adobe Express, and that'll actually allow you to make further edits to your thumbnail. Once you're happy with all of the edits and you're ready to post it to social media, we can either hit the publish to social button, or we can go over to marketing, social, and add the video that way. Let's make it easy for ourselves and hit publish to social. So HubSpot will automatically bring that video into a new social post. And as you can see, it already filled out the caption based on the meta description that we created. If for whatever reason you're unhappy with the caption, we can actually edit it with AI as well. So I think we need to make this shorter. Okay, that looks much better. Let's make this sound more friendly. Now we have the perfect caption for our video. If you do ever want to use that video again in another social post, we can head over to Marketing, Social, and then head over to Create Social Post. From there, when you hit Select Video, you'll be able to find that new video clip that you created. And voila, that's how you use videos in your social posts. Having videos embedded on your landing page is another great way to use your videos in your marketing strategy. Web pages that have relevant videos can actually keep a user on that page for longer, which is always the goal. To add a video to a landing page, we can head over to Content and then Landing Pages. From here, you can either create a new landing page or select one of your existing ones. So I'm gonna look at the free consultation one. You can see that this page already has a video on it, which is great because it means that we can replace that video with the new video. However, if your page does not have a video on it for whatever reason, we can hit the Add button, find our video element, and then just drag and drop it onto the page. From there, we can hit HubSpot Video and then browse the videos that we already have. So I'm gonna add the video that we just created. In this sidebar, there's a bunch of other settings that you can use to dictate how this video shows up on your landing page. So at the very top of the page, we have our Smart Rules. Smart Rules allow you to get nitty-gritty on when and how the video shows up. So for example, maybe I just want this to show up on desktops and tablets, but not mobile phones. So we'll hit Add a Rule. We'll do desktops and tablets. Under the video, we can adjust the sizing as well as go back to the video details page and adjust our metadata. You can actually even add a call to action or a form at the beginning, middle, or end of your video. So let's say I want to add a form at the end of the video so that when the video finishes playing, there's an action that they can take. So we'll go to CTA or form. We'll select form. And from here, you can select one of the existing forms that you've created in the past or create a new one. So we are gonna go ahead and select events form. In the options, we can hit edit and select when that form is going to be displayed. So I'm going to do at the end of the video. Hit done. And now once the video has been played, we'll be able to see the form that we selected pop up. Since the video is living on a landing page, you might be wondering, what about SEO? Well, remember the metadata that we were filling in earlier? HubSpot will actually take that metadata to help your video be shown and found within Google search results. Impressing Google has never been easier, plus it saves me a ton of time as a marketer. If you're ready to get your video content in front of your audience, make sure to give HubSpot a try. HubSpot makes it incredibly easy to upload and host your video, automatically populate all of your SEO metadata, edit them into short form clips, and then use them in any of your marketing content. You can actually get started with HubSpot completely for free using the link below, so what are you waiting for? As always, check out our other videos if you want more HubSpot tutorials, and comment down below letting us know what tutorial you want to see next. I'm Angel, and I'll see you in the next one.